Standard type inference error messages can be invaluable help to program development for experienced programmers. However, such error messages can befuddle novices and complicate learning. We present type error feedback via analytic program repair, providing feedback in the form of repairs that novices can apply to improve their code. Our approach, right, is based on the insight that similar errors have similar repairs. We apply this idea in 3 steps. First, Write learns a set of repair templates from a training dataset. Second, when given a new error, Write predicts applicable templates. Finally, Write uses its predicted template to synthesize a program-specific repair. Write ranks those candidate repairs and suggests the most appropriate as feedback. Overall, Write achieves 69% accuracy with the top 3 template predictions and high efficiency with a 70% repair rate in a 20-second time limit. Users also judge the Write repairs to be higher quality than the state of the art. Please join us for the full presentation.